Hello sweet soul and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ina and today we're going to embrace a mindful morning. We will take a beverage of your choice and enjoy a 15-minute meditation with it. So whenever you feel ready, please come into a comfortable seated position of your choice and let's get started. Taking a moment to ground your hips into the floor, lengthening through your spine out to the top of your head, relaxing the shoulders back and down, releasing any tension from your jaw, between your eyebrows, maybe quickly scanning your body and noticing wherever you're holding tension. And through your exhales, allow yourself to release that, becoming more soft, grounded, and peaceful. Allow yourself to truly be present in this moment, releasing any anxieties that might linger. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling completely through your mouth. Feel your body relax with each exhale. Enjoy the grounding feeling of your body relaxing deeper into the floor below you, and your muscles relax throughout your body. Slowly and patiently becoming present, feeling your chest get a little lighter with every breath. Inviting the cool and fresh air entering through your nose, down the throat, into your lungs, and warm up as you exhale. Just a couple more. Making each breath slower and deeper than the one before. Enjoying one more deep breath here. Now, I want you to engage your senses with your beverage. As you reach for your cup, notice the weight and texture in your hands. Is it smooth or rough? Warm or cool? Appreciate the simple act of holding it. Slowly and mindfully, bringing the cup to your nose and inhale deeply. Savor the rich aroma of the coffee or the calming fragrance of the matcha. Let the scent fill your senses and evoke a sense of peace. Observe the visual details of your drink. Notice the color, the steam rising from the surface, maybe the delicate patterns created by the milk or cream if you use them. Appreciate the beauty in the simple things. Take a small and mindful sip. Let the warmth or coolness of the beverage wash over your tongue. Notice the different taste sensations. The bitterness, sweetness, or subtle earthiness. Savor each sip, allowing your taste buds to fully experience the flavor. Focus on the sounds. Listen to the gentle clinking of the spoon against the cup. The soft and steady sound of your breath, or any other subtle noises in your environment. Allow these sounds to lull you into a state of calm awareness. As you continue to sip, pay attention to the physical sensations. Feel the warmth spreading through your body, the tingling on your tongue, the slight pressure in your hands holding the cup. Be fully present in your body and appreciate its connection to the moment. With each breath, let go of any thoughts or worries that may arise. Acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your attention back to the sensations of your beverage and your breath. What else can you sense in this moment? Maybe deepening your experience with a few more loving breaths. Allow yourself to be fully present in the experience, savoring the simple act of enjoying your drink. And allowing yourself to embrace a slow morning. One of the most beautiful acts of self-care that you can embrace. Continue this mindfulness practice for as long as feels good, as long as you feel comfortable. Maybe even sit here in silence and finish your drink. Finding gratitude. As you finish your beverage, take a few final deep breaths. Gently bring yourself back to the present moment, feeling refreshed and grounded. Carry this sense of calm and awareness with you. Remember that this is your meditation. Don't be discouraged if your mind wanders. Simply acknowledge the distraction and gently bring your attention back to your breath and your senses. With practice, you can cultivate a sense of mindfulness and appreciation for the simple joys of everyday life, starting with your morning beverage. Maybe taking a moment and thinking about where else in life you can be more mindful or invite more slowness, more gratitude, and more love into your day. Dropping your shoulders back and down once more, lengthening through your spine, through the top of your head, relaxing your third eye, your jaw, your belly button. If it resonates, maybe wrapping yourself in a love-filled self-hug. Hold yourself and say thank you. I love you. If you feel inspired to continue your mindfulness journey, please follow this desire of prioritizing the time you're creating for yourself and join me on your mats for more yoga, meditation, breath work, or travel yoga vlogs. The love and light in me see and honor the love and light in you. Happy today and see you soon.